Okay, we're going to remove the disc in order to install the manual pyrolyzer. Start off with two 5/16 inch wrenches. Undo that line. Disconnect from the top of the disc. To remove our carrier gas. On the disc itself, it connects to the valve oven. At this 1/4 inch nut, so we can remove this. Needless to say, at this point, the valve oven should be cool. Once I loosen that, I should be able to take the whole disc, slide it forward, and it will come off. Okay. We also have to remove the stabilizer bar. Okay. And then the last thing we have to do is change our electrical connection. Disconnect our power for the disc heater, fan power, and now the disc is completely disconnected. We'll set that to the side, and at that point we're ready to start installing the manual probe. The next step is to install the two swing arms. Your unit may or may not already have these installed. This unit does not, because it was equipped with an auto sampler. That swing arms cannot be installed at the same time that the auto sampler is installed. Actually, just for take that cover off, that cover off, the aluminum plate will take off just to expose things. We also need to remove the disc stabilizer bar. Loosen that set screw, and that bar will pull out. Set that to the side. Now, this is what's called the accessory rail. So we have to install our swing arms on that accessory rail. The way we do that is we have to loosen that set screw, loosen that set screw, put one 5/16 inch wrench on that nut, put the second one on the nut at the front of the accessory rail. See if I can get this all. And then turn the front, unscrew it, slide it forward just far enough so that you can install the swing arms. First swing arm goes in that direction. Second swing arm. Second swing arm in that direction. Once we have the swing arms installed, we can slide the accessory rail back in. Make it tight. Okay. So I have that tight. I'm going to make sure to push all the way that direction. Tighten my set screw again. Tighten my set screw. Next thing I would do is I would put my low mass thumb wheel with a 1/4 inch graphitized Vespel ferrule. Drop that into the thumb wheel. I'm just going to screw that on there, but we're not going to make it tight. We just screw it on till we feel it touch the ferrule, and then we stop. Should also have a peak insulator. We'll put that insulator in place. Next step, hopefully we can see this good, to take the interface core, slide it through the front swing arm, take it through the second swing arm, take our heater, insert the interface through the heater, slide the whole thing forward so that the interface goes into the 1/4 inch nut at the back. And make sure it's pushed in there tight. Then you can make that snug. Push the heater jacket all the way against that back thumb wheel. Push that swing arm all the way forward. And then we tighten the set screw on that swing arm. Okay, so we have this tight so the interface can't pull out. And then connect our gas line. From here to the front of the accessory rail. Again, use our 5/16 inch wrenches to tighten that fitting. Tighten that fitting. We can then make our electrical connection. Alright, so now the only thing left to do would be to install the probe in the black handle. The probe will line up with the screw holes in the handle, and then the wiring will line up with each connection. So it's just a matter of putting the screws in to hold that in place. Once you have that in place, the last thing would be, again, another thumb wheel with a 1/4 inch graphitized Vespel ferrule. Probe, of course. would insert into there. And that's it.